Welcome to Malian Valley's Summer Journal, Methods of Separation in Everyday Life. We'll be discovering the hidden methods of separation across India. Mali and Vali are on a mission to uncover the secret science hidden in plain sight. They are traveling to 3 main stops to learn about different types of mixtures and how to separate them. Our first stop is Nani's house in Haryana. Mali doesn't like biting into whole peppercorns in the vegetable pulao. This is where handpicking comes in, exploiting visible differences in size, color, or shape, but it's only effective for small quantities. Next, we look at threshing. This method uses mechanical force to break the physical bond and detach the edible grain from the inedible stalk. Modern farmers use threshers to apply this force on an industrial scale. Winnowing uses the difference in weight. Gravity pulls the heavier grains down, while the wind blows the lighter husk sideways, forming a separate pile. This is how the wind sorts the wheat. Sieving, or setting a size barrier, is used when preparing for the train ride. This method uses a sieve as a physical gatekeeper. Components smaller than the holes pass through, while larger ones are retained. This is effective for solid-solid mixtures of varying sizes. Our second stop is the coast of Ahmedabad, where we learn about evaporation. This method exploits the change in the state of matter. Seawater is a mixture of dissolved salts. Sunlight heats the water, turning the liquid water into vapor, leaving the solid, non-evaporating salt behind. Our final stop is Dada's kitchen. We can use time and gravity to separate tea leaves through sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation allows heavier, insoluble components to settle at the bottom. Decantation is gently pouring out the clear liquid, the supernatant, without disturbing the settled sediment. When gravity isn't enough, we use filtration, a micro-sieving process for liquids. The correct filter, whether a tea strainer, cotton cloth, or filter paper, depends on the size of the particles you need to remove to get a perfectly clear liquid. Other everyday separation methods include churning, which uses rapid agitation to extract lighter solid fats like butter, and magnetic separation, which instantly pulls out magnetic materials from non-magnetic piles for recycling. This quick reference guide summarizes when to use which method. The correct method depends on the state of the mixture and the property exploited, such as differences in size, weight, or solubility. The golden rule of sorting is that every method of separation relies on exploiting a difference in the physical properties of the components. If you know how 2 materials differ, you have the key to pulling them apart. Science is a way of looking at the world, not just about wheat, salt, and tea. As Kabir said, just like winnowing makes the husk blow away while retaining the grains, similarly, sages let the virtues stay while discarding the vices.